Hey guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. Welcome back to my no. So let's talk crypto today. You know, for some reason, silver gold videos are not taking much attention, last day says. So yeah, let's talk crypto, Everyone want to be a millionaire, okay? But silverGameOfThrone is one of the smart apes. And you can make money with silverGameOfThrone, right? I've gained this whole... Yeah, most people are talking about this, and this is pure bullshit, right? Because it's your own strategy, But this is the way how you attract people. Other way, people will not even listen, will not even click on the button, right? To listen to people like silverGameOfThrone, They mostly listen to this talking head, Oh, you need to invest into, Terra, By the way, where is this garbage? Guys, stay away from the ERC20 tokens. I'm telling you, where is this Terra? Better, interesting today. Yeah, 59, like it's still bouncing around. But if you click on Terra USD, you see the Terra blockchain has officially halted. And you did Herman depegged from US dollar, okay? So hunt began, They started the hunt. Means like, because think about this, US dollar in trouble, right? Everyone is clear today, and even the fake index, compared to other crap, like euro, other currency, compared to other crap, it's strong. It's like, between all shit, I'm the less shit, like, guys, you need to understand, this is a con game. They play this con game, and now they start to hunt all this, ERC20 stable coins, Even Tether fell on like 5-10%. You see it below $1, it was 0.95. It fell on 5%. Even Tether, guys, which is like, it's like on a Bitcoin level. And all others, this stable coin, what they call it, stable scam tokens, I call them, like, oh, we are, better than USD dollar. Okay, they will fail fast. Guys, you need to understand. The dollar also will fail, but it will fail the last one, okay? But when dollar fell, it will take with him everything, every paper garbage, everything. And it's only you decide what you will handle in your hands, okay? When paper crap will fail, only real asset will survive, okay? And the real assets is gold, is silver, land, all these properties you have. And if you talk about digital are not going anywhere, guys. You need to understand. But digital, who has behind this network, mining process, the team, not this crook team, insiders, they printed from thin air like $1, then will go down like $1. Okay, so stay away. Okay, so let's talk about future, crypto future. What I see, now I'm not talking about black swans even. If you have black swan, no one knows, right? But I'm talking like, say, let's see where we are today. Okay, so Bitcoin trend. You see, I pay attention on two things. You see, on MACD, on RSI. You see, RSI, it's like a strongest point, It's going down, right? But look on MACD. You see on MACD? So when you look on MACD, you can see that it was a strong sell, right? Okay, first time. The second time, like when we reach again this 65,000, peak, it was sell, but after this peak, it was much less sell, right? And now what we see now on these days, when it look like, oh, Bitcoin crashing, it's actually no one is selling, guys. You see, the sales are so small in compare what was in first. Bull market and second bull market, the sales are so small. So what I see here, the price is going down, but sellers are exhausted. There is no one to sell it, guys. Literally, there are so less people left who want to sell Bitcoin. These people who buy on the top on 67 and sold on 30, they are already gone, guys, okay? It's only all this left, it's, people who are trading, the traders, they left. And also, there are a lot of videos about leveraging, blah, blah. I'm not in this, I'm not in this. Make it simple. What is the trend? you know, and where the trend is going. Okay, make it simple. All of this TA, it's a bullshit, guys. I'm telling you, it's not a TA I'm talking here. I'm talking here like where we go. And by the way, it's weekly, you see. I'm not here to tell you where Bitcoin will be in 35 minutes and 50 seconds. You know, it's all bullshit, guys. Okay, I am long, middle to long-term investor. I'm telling you, sellers are exhausted. Okay, and I think we are near bottom. Okay. Can it be weak here, you know, and here? Of course it can be, like here. Look here. Because, you know, this is outside of the trend, you see? This is outside of the trend, you see? It can be weeks, you know, again, it may be to 25, 24,000, you know, some weeks. It can be, but majority of people are not selling, guys. It may be some black swan events, you know, when, you know, market can start crashing, and Bitcoin will also crash because, you know, who owns the most, you know, the same people who own market, the same people will sell. Yeah, but right now there are much less sellers, okay? So I think we are near bottom, okay? And we can recover. And if we recover, now think about this. If we recover here, you know, our top was around 60, 70. If we recover here, our top was around 100, okay? You follow me? Because I am on trend. Because time is working on us, okay? Why? Why? Because, you know, left only 19 million Bitcoin. You know, 19 million, left 19 million Bitcoin mined, and only 2 millions left. You understand? And halving in less than 2 years, it will be another halving. So instead of 625, it will be 3, you know, 125 something, 3,125. 3 Bitcoin in block, guys, it will be. You understand? Today, the mining process is like 29,000 Bitcoin in 1 month. In less than 2 years, it will be like 15,000 Bitcoin in 1 month. 15,000 on entire planet Earth, okay? You need to understand it. Because it's pure mathematics. So, well, on these levels, if you are going up, you see where we will be, right? What is the top? You see, this is the top, guys. If you go up somewhere in these levels, it's around 200,000, between 150 and 200,000 dollars. You understand? So time is working on us, guys. Okay, is working on us, because on these levels it was hard to reach more. You know, on these levels it was possible, but the top was 100. Now the top is 200, guys. You understand? So very clear, okay? So let's, once we understand what's going on with Bitcoin, you know, because most people, like, they don't buy when it's red, they buy when it's green. Sorry, they don't sell when it's red, when it's green. They sell when it's red, right? When it's red, I'm selling. When it's green, I'm buying. So, but smart apes, you know, are buying in opposite, buying when there is a blood on the street, right? Okay, so let's see what's going on. So you see the, you know, Ethereum Classic, for example, right? They start to wake up. They start to wake up. You see Ethereum Classic, you know, same percentage last days, $22 already. Okay, let's start from Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic, this is the trend of Ethereum Classic as I see it. Again, it's all weekly, guys. I'm not playing games. Is this? You know, I tried to reach $50. So what I say here, you see where we are, and you know, sorry, this trend of Ethereum Classic, like make horizontal line, okay, around $50, 53, 50, yeah, like somewhere here. Oh, you know what? Let's make Fibonacci, okay? I like Fibonacci because Fibonacci is a human being. So let's take Fibonacci on this level, and just to see, you know, where we are coming on Fibonacci, okay? So you can see very clear here, then 1.6, I told you, it's like a magnet, okay? So this is our target, guys, okay? This is our goal target, guys, okay? Goal target, you see, it's around $1,000, $800. This is the goal target, okay? But more real target, you see here, can we fail on this level? Of course we can fail on these levels, okay? So you can see the levels to watch, okay? This is a level like $15, okay? This will be the lowest level. But if Bitcoin hold, and you see already strong, you know, resistance. Why strong resistance? Look here, because it was the same levels, guys. Let me make it line here, and it will be seen. Where we are today, you see where we are today? It's the same levels when we reach in 2017. You see, then it was spark here, then it fell, and again, so many touching points. Okay, we are on the seller because it's a strong resistance. This is why it start to bounce. Okay, so level to watch, and you know what I also like. Let's take this what's it called, bar patterns, and see what Ethereum Classic can do. Okay, in case we are moving up. Oh, sorry, not this one. In case we are moving up, okay, you know, what are our possibilities? So you see, it was started to move like this, and if it started to move like this, you see what's going on here? This is what I'm talking about. You see how it's correlated with all these levels, guys. You see this level when I started, 1, boom, you see, and also this level what I'm talking about, 1.6, it's like a magnet. You see, again this level, you see, boom, you see, like $700, around $700. Okay, so these are possibilities I see. Okay, but $50 is much too, it must to come back. Okay, it must to. I see no problem for Ethereum Classic just to reach this level, $50. Okay, because it's playing between these levels. Okay, and when it start to run, you'll see the $50 it will reach literally in 1 week, I think. Okay, when it start to run, just let Bitcoin stabilize. You know, that doesn't need even Bitcoin go up, just stabilize, because right now Bitcoin is going up, going down. You know, it's not stabilizing. You know, it's if you look into short-term Bitcoin, let's say, if you look into what the crap, this crap is here. If you look into, like, let's say 1 hour, right? If you look into 1 hour, oh, the crap, doesn't work. Yeah, I need to do a lot of changes. Okay, forget about this. It's a lot of changes. So Bitcoin, you understand, the Bitcoin is very unstable now. It's moving the range between 29 and 32, somewhere here, right? Even 28 it reached yesterday. It was unstable, so nothing can be stable when Bitcoin unstable. But once it start to stabilize, you know, the picture can change, and we can literally reach, you know, $50. Once it cross $50, it can skyrocket. Okay, next, Brazil Litecoin. This is a trend of Brazil Litecoin. Okay, and again it's weekly. And let's see, and again, you see, guys, here, you see, all these weeks, you know, all this, you know, outside of trend, you see, outside of trend, okay, can go up and back, and, you know, you just don't need to pay attention. This is all noises, guys. It's literally all noises. Bitcoin is, Litecoin is very strong project. It was here, it is here, it will be here with us. So just don't pay attention on, you know, on these noises. By the way, I want to pay attention, okay? Litecoin moved to top 20. It was outside of top 20. It was 23, 22, and now it's back. Why? Because all shit tokens are sinking down, guys. They're literally sinking down. You look on this, you know, the Shiba, Uno, it was in top 10, it's Polygon, you know, all this garbage, you know, and, you know, the strongest coin come back. Look into Zcash even. Where is the Zcash? Brazil Zcash, 43, guys, it was 60, 70. Now it's coming back below 50. Why is that? It's also weak, it's 88. We'll talk about this, but because shit, all this garbage is just coming down, you know, then, you know, the proof of work coins, you know, more stable, right? Okay, just keep the good guys, I'm telling you, and everything will be all right. Okay, so Litecoin, you see, this is a trend, and we are on the lowest level. Even we, you know, we dropped down. I think $100 is supposed to be Litecoin today, but because of this, you know, Terra scam and all this, it's an all effect. So let's take a Fibonacci. Okay, let's take a Fibonacci and just see what are the levels to watch for Litecoin. Okay, again, in case everything will be okay and Bitcoin will be coming back to his level, and the most, you know, critical level I always watch, this is my target. Okay, you see 1.6 like a magnet. I told you many times. Okay, $1,500, guys. $1,500, okay? I don't know when, I don't know, but I don't care. You need to understand. You invest for long term, okay? You put and forget. So what are more real targets? You see, this top, okay? This top was one time, okay? Let's make a line here, okay? Let's make a line here, like this. You see, it was one time top. It was second time top, okay? And sometimes for stronger project, it's three times top, okay? So I think Litecoin is gonna do 3 times top. I think Litecoin is gonna do, and again, it's now correlated, you see, with this all that level. It's gonna do this 400 time top, okay? Then it will be back, and then it will be recovered, to highest point, okay? And if you want, let's take, let's take some of this, crazy bar patterns, okay? What Litecoin can do, okay, and just see now what are possibilities for Litecoin. Usually when it go to lowest level, it start to spark, and you see how it spark. You see it spark, it may spark even above these levels. You see 2023, but the upper level in 2022, for example, you see it may go to top 400. This is what I think. I think we'll reach top in this year, 400, okay, and then again we'll come back down and we'll bounce somewhere here, but literally after next halving Litecoin, we can see much highest number. But for me, between 400 and this level, 400, 500 level, maybe up to 1,000, okay? Because you see, this is the top trend, okay? Like it's everything in the trend. You see, this is the top trend, okay? So for me, all these levels can be reachable levels, okay? What is this? Let me see. What is this? What is this? What is this? Triangle, rotator rectangle. Oh, well, yeah, this one. So this level, this level I am watching, okay? For me, this level are predictable, easy predict, where I can see Litecoin this year. So between the top, which was here, oh, sorry, what I'm doing, not this one, this levels, this level, the top, which was here $400, up to the highest, you have poised on a trend, okay, around $1,000, okay? This is the target. Again, let Bitcoin to recover and we'll see much better now. Zcash. So for Zcash, I don't think it's a trend like I was doing for Litecoin, for Ethereum Classic, for Bitcoin. Zcash is totally different animals. When it's weak, it's really weak. When it's strong, it's really strong, you see? And I told you many times, every coin has his lifetime, okay? And many people say Dash is digital trash, most people, they say have something wrong in the head, buy on the top and sell on the bottom, or they don't understand how it all works, okay? I told you many times, remember I told you, Zcash is going to flip Monero on the price, and it flipped Monero on the price. It flipped, now it's again 2 to 1, you see? So use this leverage, guys, to make more coins, you see? Let's say Zcash to Dash, okay? 60, 89, it's 1.5, but Zcash was almost 2 to 1 to Dash, 1.8, 1.9, you see? Easy, 30%, because in the end of the day, I told you guys, it is matter of how many coins do you have. When silver is 30 bucks, 20 bucks, right? Let's say physical is like around 30 bucks. And it will be physical around 70, 80 bucks. What matter? Matter only how much silver you have. Oh, the people, when the people will see 70, 80 bucks, they will say, oh, why I'm not in why I didn't buy more. It's the same here, Zcash today was $200, Dash was 70, 80, 100. Today it's coming back, and Dash may overcome Zcash even. You understand? And these people when ask why I didn't buy more, digital trash. Okay, forget about this bullshit, you know. Oh, I like this coin, I don't like this coin. It's not for us, guys. We don't need to be attached to any coins. We just need to understand this is the technology, this is very good technology. I'm following the technology, but I don't have preferences, because once you have preferences, you are attached to the coin. And it's very sentimental, and oh, I cannot sell it because my lovely silver or my lovely bullshit, you know. You need to sell at any point, okay, if you want to. But smart apes don't do this. They are not attaching. They can trade Zcash on Dash. They can trade Zcash on Monero and back, you know. You understand what I'm talking about? It's easy profit in coins. And when Zcash will be $1,000, it will be only matter, because if you have, let's say Zcash is $1,000 and you have 10, 20 Zcash. So what it give to you? It will give you $10,000, $20,000, but is it life changing? No, but if you had 100 Zcash and you traded it with the Dash back and forth, and now you have 200 Zcash, oh, this is a life changing, because you have $200,000. Do we understand, guys? No one is talking about this. It's only Silver Game of Thrones. In the end of the day, it's how many coins you have when time will come, guys. Don't look on price. Price is bullshit. The price, you can leverage your, you know, coins. Okay. So this is a trend. Okay, let's take Fibonacci. Okay, I want to take Fibonacci, make it quick. Fibonacci, okay, and then make it big. Okay. You see it? It has these cycles, 1, 2, 3. Absolutely beautiful. It's so easy to trade, guys. And now you see next cycle is coming. You see, because it was a trend. You see trend down like this one. You see down on the bottom. But you can predict what will be the top. You see. If you take here and you see the top, and you can easily say, oh, next top will be like $200. So you see, buying Zcash today in this level, like below $100, it's no brain 2 to 1, okay? Not your financial advisor, it's just I'm telling for myself. 2 to 1 easy for Silver Game of Thrones, okay? Just because you're smart ape. Okay, so you see this is a Fibonacci, okay? This is a level to watch. And if I take what Zcash did before, yeah, the bar patterns, okay? So let's take the bar patterns, okay? What Zcash did before, bar patterns. Yeah, this one, okay? And let's see what are possibilities. You see how they correlated? Wow, you see 1.6, guys, what I told you, right? You know, because all Fibonacci, all this pattern, it's because we are human and we trade very similar. And what is this? $1,000, guys, okay? So Zcash target $1,000, it's very, very highly predictable, guys, okay? If you understand, you know, we are human beings, not a TA, guys, it's not a TA. It's just, you know, how predictable we are, you know? If we start to boom, it's, you know, this is a target, okay? When it will be, maybe it will be 1 2 years, but why you don't need to care? You put money aside, you don't depend on this money, okay? And then you just wait. It's just a fishing, like a fishing. When you fish, you don't, you know, catch it every time with no fish there. You only catch it with fish, okay? That's the same. Okay, so it's, you know, for me, it's no brain. It's no brain targets, okay? So just keep it quiet, okay? Keep it. You see this target like $300. It's also predictable. I think it will be like here in this ranges, okay? The next time when we will come, let me make it. Let me make it. What is this? I always forget what is this. Triangle, yeah, rectangle. Yeah, so this target, what I want to mark, yeah, 0.6, yeah, this target. Yep. Okay, so this target, I think it's reachable in this year, okay, in this year. And maybe we'll even reach high top. I think, yeah, this target, you see, even on this 2021, 2022, Again, everything can change. Dash may become crazy and Zcash may become weak, okay? Because it's all, con games here, okay? We don't know who is buying, we don't know who is selling, okay? So, but with very high possibilities, I see Zcash above $200 this year, okay? And will it reach these levels, when it was on the peak, 380? Maybe yes, maybe not. But as you see, based on one run, another run, you see this is our channel, the top peaks, you see, around $200, okay? If we break it like here, we can reach again $400, okay? With less possibilities. Dash, okay, let's see Dash. This is his channel and this is his wicks, and this is like outside of channel, you see, outside of channel. The Dash, the digital trash, as many say, it's not, it has nothing to do with all that bullshit, There are so many crap in people's heads, It's just life of the coin, you need to understand. There is a life of the coin, it depends on so many things. When coin started, how many in supply, of marketing, all this, just don't have that crap in your head, okay? Just is excellent project, okay? I'm heavily investing last days in Dash. I moved some of my funds from Zcash to Dash, and I'm doing leverages. This is a perfect game, guys. Okay, so let's take a Fibonacci. Let's take a Fibonacci from top to bottom, okay? Just see where we are. Okay, 1.6. I like this 1.6. Oh wow, that's a 220. I don't think we will reach this level even, but for if you like, no, let's take this for another proof. Let's take this bar pattern, what we did here, okay, and just see what can happen, right? If we go from here somewhere, somewhere here, I think this levels like $300, $200. You see, Dash never has this strength. Maybe need to go back in more previous year, but it was not like some coins which was doing like crazy thing. Maybe before in 2017, but not in last couple of years. So we will reach this bottom. Like 400 something dollars. Maybe, but based on his trend. I think we will have less numbers, okay? The numbers, what I see, this is a number, what I personally see, somewhere in these levels, okay? Somewhere in these levels, okay? This is a very high probabilities, okay? Again, it all depends on Bitcoin, how Bitcoin will trade. But the top of this level is on 2021 high, which was 400 something dollar, okay? But high probabilities are here, you see. Okay, and Bitcoin Cash, it's the same. I see Bitcoin Cash with weekend and weekend and weekend. This is how I see Bitcoin Cash trend. Don't want to talk too much about this. I have my target, between $100 and $200. Like 150 more, okay? I'm thinking maybe I want to invest something, but like in compared to other, let's say Bitcoin and Litecoin, why I always say Litecoin is a better choice. Between looking at Litecoin 84 millions, Bitcoin Cash is 21 million, so 4 to 1. But look on price, 64 and Bitcoin Cash 184. You see, so a 2.5x difference in price and 4x difference in calculation supply. You understand? So it's much more profitable to invest into Litecoin, okay? I told you the reason behind this because Litecoin is unique. Bitcoin Cash is named Bitcoin has like 5-6 strongest coin, okay? Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Diamond, so many Bitcoin, but it's only one Litecoin. So for me, Litecoin is over Bitcoin Cash, okay? And BSV, couple of words for BSV. BSV is a wild animal, and because it was taken out from so many exchanges, its volume is very low, and this is two sides of the coin. From one side, it's easy to manipulate, so it's easy to bring it down, but it's also too easy to bring it up, okay? 1 millionaire, billionaire, which start to buy BSV today because of some project. It has a lot of project, right? It has a best scalability, you know. May easy go to 700. I see Bitcoin SV $700. It was 600 now because it went much lowest level. You see, this is the levels. The lowest level, I think we are near bottom. 50 bucks is that. I don't know how to express it, but it's the most best level to invest in any proof of work coins. I'm telling you guys, okay? The chances it will go below this because it's so good technology is almost zero. It can because of Black Swan, but the chances are very low. And you can see now in Bitcoin SV, it fell below like 50 and recovered. Fell and recovered, and people are buying because people are smart. They understand that, you know, that these levels, wow, it's just. And if it go back, you know, $700 target this or next year, okay? So think about this. It's like more than 10 to 1 easy, 12, 15 to 1. Okay, guys, was already taking time, okay? silverGameOfThrones sharing with you. If you like, subscribe, hit notification, and tell me what do you think, you know, how do you think? You know, are you stuck in? Are you buying gold, silver only? Are you, you know, proof of work, proof of stake? Interesting to see your opinion. I always appreciate your comments, guys. Don't hesitate to put your comments and help me promote my channel because my channel is no bullshit, guys. The best channel here, okay, which is talking about gold, silver, and crypto, and not only crypto, best crypto, okay? But we are less people, guys. You need to understand. 2,000-3,000 people on my channel. These are the best people in the world. These are people who really smart apes, and everyone cannot be smart ape. You understand why my channel so less people, okay? Because most people, they listen to bullshit, and they do bullshit in their life. They are losing money. We are not. We are smart ape here. All the best, guys. Bye-bye.